Hi everyone, how's it going? Happy May Day. I'm Daniel and I teach active dynamic stretch at the Ballet Spot on Saturdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So I'd love for you to join us. And I'm going to teach you a few juicy stretches for our hamstring, our hip flexor, and our quad muscle. These stretches are going to exfoliate your tissue and strengthen you as they increase your flexibility. So come along with me and join in if you want. We're going to be on the floor here. We're going to be using, if you need a little cushioning for your knee, you could use a yoga blanket or a towel, a pillow, whatever you have. So we're going to be kneeling, checking in, nice long torso, try to have square hips. We're going to start a little bit forward, just a 90-degree angle with the knee. We're going to try to pull the front foot back like that. That's going to engage your hamstring. Keep trying to pull your front foot back as we shift back, getting a juicy stretch for the back of the leg. If you have blocks, could help. Or you can use a chair next to you to help support you. So we're going to do a few of these. We're going to start forward, pull the front foot back. Keep trying to pull the front foot back, feeling your hamstring work as we shift back nice and slow. Don't have to go too far. The knee doesn't even have to get straight. You only want to go back as far as you can feel your hamstring working. As you pull the front foot back, try to kick your back knee forward. Ooh, nice long spine reaching, getting that juicy flossing of our hamstring. That's it. Now we're going to do a few for the back leg. We're going to press the back foot down, try to kick your back knee forward. Keep pressing the back foot down, kicking the back knee forward, long spines. We shift forward, kick the back leg into the ground. Going to feel a nice juicy stretch for the front of this back leg, the hip flexor. That's it. Just a couple more. Press the back foot down, kick the back knee forward, and shifting forward. Good work. How's that? Sweet. Let's shift around. We're going to do the other side. So, a little cushioning for our knees, our knee. Kneeling position, nice long spine. The top of the head reaches up, the sits bones reach down. Square hips. We're going to start forward. Try to pull your front foot back. Keep pulling your front foot back as we're going to shift back, getting that juicy stretch for the back of the leg. Scissor the legs together. Pull the front foot back. Kick the back knee forward. Nice, smooth moving back. Don't have to go too far, just whatever feels right for you. So we're working the back of this leg the whole time that we stretch and move back. Woo! Nice work. Going on your own adventure, you can resist a lot or a little, just feeling into the tissue in the back of your leg. Good, now we're going to do a few for the back leg. Press the back foot down, try to kick the back knee forward. Long spine, kick the back leg into the floor, shifting forward for this juicy stretch for the front of the back leg. That's it. A few more. Top of the head reaches up, sits bones reach down. Kick the back leg into the ground. You can think of two lines of energy on either side of your spine, really reaching long. Beautiful. Woo! How's that? Cool. Come a little closer. Let's do a few quad stretches. So we're going to be on our back. We're going to hold behind our leg. Kick this leg up straight. You're going to feel your muscle, your quad muscle work. Keep doing that as the opposite foot comes over the top at the ankle. We're going to push down with the top leg and force this bottom leg to bend. That's it. Couple more. Keep pushing the bottom leg up. The top leg will overpower. Ooh, I'm blinded by the sun. Couple more. Good work. Feel your sits bones reaching long. Press your bottom leg up throughout, so we're feeling this worked, stretched feeling in our quad. Good work, shake it out. The sun feels so good. Woo. We're gonna switch to the other side. Last stretch for for our quad muscle. So, on our back, hold behind your leg. Keep kicking that leg up straight. You're gonna feel your thigh working. Keep working your thigh. The opposite leg will come over the top, crossing over at the ankles. And nice. Resisting with the bottom leg. The top leg will overpower and push that foot down. Keep working your thigh. Feel your sits bones reaching long. No tension in your neck or your jaw. Just nice wide collarbones. Just feeling into this stretch for the front of your leg. Woo! Good work. And take a moment. Just feeling into your body. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a great day and hope to see you soon. Bye.